Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change password on Binance app. So if you also want to change password on Binance app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Binance application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Binance application is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the markets interface. So if you want to change the password, all you have to do is tap on the Binance icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll also be able to see the ID and username at top. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the account center interface. You'll be able to see several informations regarding your account over here. You'll be able to see your username, ID and registration info. Also, you'll be able to see the option for verifications, security, VIP privilege and Twitter. So if you want to change the password, all you have to do is tap on the security option that you can see at second. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the security interface. You'll be able to see several options over here. You'll be able to find several options for two-factor authentication. You can protect your account through passkeys, authenticator app, email, password, etc. So if you want to change the password, simply tap on the password option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to protect your account, withdrawals, P2P selling and payment services might be disabled for 24 hours after you change your password. Simply tap on the continue option. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to change the password. First of all, a verification code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is open the Gmail application. You can see over here, Binance has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now that particular email will be opened. You can see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to Binance application. Now enter that code over here. After you enter the verification code, you can see over here, you'll be able to change the password. Enter the new password. Your password must contain 8 to 128 characters, at least one number, at least one uppercase letter. So simply tap right over here. Now enter your new password. Now what you have to do is confirm your password. Simply confirm your password. Enter your password again. After that, all you have to do is tap on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here your password has been successfully changed. You'll have to log back into your account with the new password. Simply tap on the login option. After that, log into your account again with a new password. So that is how you change password on Binance app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.